Finding a balance between life and study can feel impossible. That's where Assignments4u comes in, your ultimate academic lifeline. Getting started is simple. Just sign up with your name, email, and phone number. You'll instantly receive a secure access code via email to log into your personal dashboard. From your dashboard, you can request a quote, manage orders, and see our proven track record of helping over 4,500 students. In Step 1, tell us what you need. Whether it's a full class, an assignment, a discussion post, or an online exam, we've got you covered. Simply enter your course name and select your subject, ranging from algebra and accounting to biology and chemistry. We cater to all levels, from high school to graduate studies. In Step 2, set your course dates and choose the plan that's right for you. Our Essential Plan is perfect for getting started. Our Priority and VIP plans offer 24/7 support, plagiarism-free content, and a grade guarantee of an A or B. Provide your school login. The best part? We offer total payment flexibility. Once you proceed to checkout, you can view your custom quote and choose a payment method that works for your budget. We offer multiple payment plans so you can break up the cost, or a one-time payment for convenience. You even have the choice to pay now or pay later. Start succeeding today with the experts at Assignments4u.com.